Alex and Ryan playing badminton. Alex, why are you using two?
Because I'm a ninja. Butterfly.
Where is it?
Right here. I went.
Where you do that?
Wave to the camera.
He'll wave to his mommy. Oh! That's right. I'll be my gangster self.
And
I just scored, buddy.
let's see how Ryan takes this. And yeah. That's the day in the life of Alex and Ryan. Goodbye.